Hi, I'm Josh from Priory Direct. Today I'd like to show you our twist wrap range. Twist wraps have a lot of advantages in terms of their packability. They have a variable depth and width, which means you can fit a wide variety of items like books, frames, board games. Many different things will fit in a twist wrap. And also from a manufacturing perspective, they're extremely simple, which means they're very low cost. Unlike a book wrap, which requires quite a bit of gluing and engineering, a twist wrap is a flat sheet with a clever bit of die cutting, which allows it to wrap around a wide variety of items. It does make it a little harder to understand when you first see them, but it's very simple once you've had a quick go. So I want to show you how they work. You'll see an area with a peel and seal adhesive strip down the side and a 45-degree cut here. So if I'm to pack this book, I take this area and I twist it like that, and that gives me my lateral stability. If I place the item in the twist wrap, fold this flap over, take this peel and seal area and peel it off, and then wrap it over. That gives my item really tightly fitting lateral stability. I can then take the rest of the twist wrap, fold this over, take my peel and seal strips off, fold it around, and it gives me an excellent tight seal, immediate closure, and a perfectly wrapped item. There's no need for using void fill or other protection with twist wraps because the item can't accelerate at all because of how well it fits it. And you have multiple levels of corrugated at every edge, which means the corners and edges are protected. And those are the areas that are most likely to get damaged. In addition to those features, you've got a nice easy tear strip for your customer so they can have a frustration-free wrapping experience, and they're plastic-free, made from sustainable materials, fully recyclable and biodegradable. We've got 6 sizes of twist wraps in our range online. They're fantastic for high volume operations dispatching a wide variety of items, and for operations running on a tight budget because of their low cost nature. What's also great is obviously they're eco-friendly, plastic-free, fully recyclable and biodegradable, so they should be a great fit for a wide variety of items and operations. If you need any help with choosing the right twist wrap for you, or finding the right packaging, or even discussing branding and bespoking these twist wraps for your needs, then we're really happy to help. We're on priorydirect.co.uk. We're on live chat from 9 AM to 5:30. We have an award-winning customer service team, and we work with over 21,000 retailers in the UK. So hop on over to our website today and drop us a line, and we'd be really happy to help with your sustainable packaging needs. Thank you. Bye.